The topic of today's video is how to fix Snapchat back camera not working. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go out of Snapchat, make sure it's closed, and then navigate to wherever you have the app, long press, and then press on this information icon. That'll bring up app info, and inside here you want to go to permissions. In permissions, you want to click on camera. Make sure that this is set to either ask every time or allow only while using the app, and then restart your phone. Usually restarting your phone by itself does the trick, but might as well kill all the birds with one stone. Another thing to make sure of, probably should have done this one first, is to make sure that your app is updated. And if after you restart and it still doesn't fix the problem, completely uninstall the app and reinstall it, log in and see if that fixes your issue. And then hopefully everything will be back up and running again. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.